What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Sam here, and we got another video for you with some Gladiator modifications. It's gonna be a good one today, guys. It's gonna be an easy, simple install. It's gonna improve the quality of your audio system in your Gladiator or your JL, your Wrangler. So sit back, relax. We're gonna see if this easy mod is actually gonna make a difference or not. So let's get into live action. Roll the intro. Alrighty, so we're going to be installing some new speakers in the Gladiator. If you have a JL or a JTE, you know that the audio systems aren't the best in the world. And you could go out and spend hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, and replace the speakers in the headache rack there, or put a sub in there or whatever. But I'm not really that crazy about the audio. I don't need it to be bumping or anything. I just want a little bit more clarity, so that's where this mod comes in. So before we get into that, let's go ahead, get all the YouTube stuff out of the way. Can you please, for me, hit that like button, subscribe if you have not already, drop a comment down below, anything will do, like I said, like the video, share it, and all that good stuff. I'm trying to grow this channel here, guys, so if y'all could do that for me, I'd really appreciate it. Don't cost you nothing, it would just help me out. So I'm gonna show you the product here, then we'll get into installing it. They say it's a simple product, simple install, so we'll see. Alrighty, let's walk you through what we got here. This is from Audio Uprising. So it is a simple replacement for your factory tweeters or your mid-ranges in the dash. I'll show you what they look like. This is what it looks like, your factory stuff there. So it places this one and that one over there, and it replaces it with this piece. Then you can change the color of the ring. I went with the chrome because it's kind of like factory. I'm not like color matching anything. They have red, orange, blue, whatever. And then so they have little tweeters in there, and then this is your mid-range speakers. So big magnet for them, so it should sound a lot better. But all you gotta do is pop your factory ones out. They give you a tool for the panels and an actual socket for the for the hardware. But it should just come right out and it just plugs right back in. So simple mod to help you out to make your Jeep sound a little better in the mid and upper, the higher ranges and the mid ranges. So let's go in here and I'm gonna play some non-copyrighted music to see if we can tell the difference or not. So let's jump in here and I'll play you some non-copyright music to see if you can tell the difference or not. All right, let's see what it sounds like without the speakers. So that was what it sounded like in the cab of the Jeep. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell with the GoPro or not. A lot of the actual sound is from the actual head. The sound bar up here, you can't tell because it's freaking dark. The GoPro does not do dark places very well. But anyways, the sound bar up top is where you get most of your audio from. So hopefully adding these speakers will increase the noise up front, because I had it on like 13 or 14 the volume. So let's go ahead and we'll show you how to pop these babies out, and then we'll pop them in and we'll get it done. All right, they give you this trim tool so you can just pop it out. So that's what we're gonna try to do. Try to pop it out. Need a longer trim tool, to be honest, but so you don't need that anymore. That can go away. And then there's two, can you get in there? There's two bolts right here and right here. And they give you the thing for it, but I got my own 7 mil, so that's what we're gonna do. Take them out. They're not in there tight, so. And you should be able to just pull this up. It might be kind of stuck in there, but pull it up. And then we'll there's a connection here that we'll mess around with to try to get off like that. And that's it. That's your factory speaker, and this is the new speaker. It's dark. You can't do nothing about it. But so that goes to that. And then this this plugs in. This plugs into the like a factory speaker. And then this plugs in to your new speaker, like so, to give you your tweeter. And then you just shove it back down in there and bolt it up. But it's hard to do because it's in there. How this goes, how it's gonna go, just like that. It'll fit down there, but shove all your wires down in here. I guess it only goes one way, just like that. So just like that, and then you just replace the screws back where they go. This has a little relief on the speaker for the wire to come through. So make sure to orientate it that way. And just screw it down. Doesn't even have to be super tight or nothing. Oh. This goes in there, so you could probably feed the wire down in there a little bit better than I did. like that. Done. You just replace your speakers from looking like with a blank piece to now it has a little tweeter and your better speaker inside. So we'll just do this on the other side because it's been 6 minutes of me messing around. So within 12 minutes you can have this done. So I'm gonna get the other side done and then we'll play the music to see if it sounds any better. All right, let's see how it sounds. I'm actually kind of surprised. It does sound better for some reason. It's just got a lot more mid-range, a lot more clear audio. I don't know if it's going to come over on the camera or not, but a lot clearer audio. I'm actually surprised. I thought, yeah, maybe it'll sound a little bit better, but it actually does sound actually better. A lot clearer, a lot more mid-range. Wow. So for $200 and some, I think that's a freaking heck of a deal. And it only took me 6 minutes on one side messing around with it and 6 minutes on the other side. So 12 minutes and you can have better clearer sound. Not an ad or anything, not a sponsored video. I didn't pay for this. I got it for Christmas, my birthday, but heck yeah. Well, let's go ahead and finish this video up, I guess. Somebody's bugging the crap out of me on my phone. Let's see who this is. Alrighty, so that's going to be it for this one, I think, guys. This is going to be it. I was going to roll the Jeep out, but then it started sprinkling out here, so not going to do that. So I think it's going to be it for this one, guys. Really nice little upgrade for a couple $100. Easy to install, 6 minutes for each side. Now you get a little bit crisper music, a little audio, crisper audio. Can't complain about that. Easy upgrade. One I also put in here, I know a couple people are kind of wondering about those Baja Designs fog lights that I got. I'm going to go ahead and tell you they are amazing. Best purchase upgrade that I put on the Jeep yet for that. Easy upgrade also, and way better visibility. I used them in that video that you might have saw in the last one about going to Leatherwood off-road. We drove through the night, and I've drove it a couple days and nights here afterwards, and I'm telling you what, should have done that a long time ago. But so I'm gonna wrap it up here. I'm gonna put some information down in the description about the audio stuff. Like I said, not sponsored or anything, but that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming on. Gonna hit that like button, subscribe, comment, drop a comment down below if you got any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Share the video and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.